Are you filming me?
Do you want me to film you?
I can. I like my smile anyway. Alright.
They call me Quick Fix Joe. Finally finished making my flowers. I know I might be twisted and gray, but you know, it's good. In the food mall in Rancho, Cucamonga. It's wings, fire wings. Over here is the bar. All kind of popcorn. You can look at the game. Everybody having their food over here. It's an on plus one. On plus on. It's let's see how they got here. So like, oh, okay. Got all that kind of food over here. And, what is sort of, okay. I see the name of bush. I didn't. What kind of food you guys sell here?
Here?
Yeah, what kind of food?
Ramen.
Ramen?
Ramen, and then we have sushi.
Okay, cool.
And right here we got like pork fillet.
Okay.
We have a pork bowl.
Okay, and sushi?
Yes.
Okay, good. Alrighty. Thank you. Okay. You got a
payroll tax.
you got element different. That's for barbecue, huh? Barbecue. Okay, folks. You come out here, get the barbecue, and woo! Alrighty. Potato. We got shrimp, taco, seafood, and shrimp sticks. It's a food mall, folks. Everything in here is food. You can see right there. It's food. So you got things like that and everything. We got some ice cream over here. What kind of ice cream? Let's see. We got all kind of ice cream. Hi there. Okay, cool. Strawberry. Ooh.
Oh, I gotta show this.
Which one? Dulce de leche.
Oh, the chopped down.
Chopped down.
Like that.
Apple, strawberry. Is that a sample of the ice cream or something? Say that again. Oh, okay. Everybody want to taste the coffee stuff?
Huh?
I can't think I did. I like buying frozen coffee. It's not. It's good. I think we're done tasting. See, you got some sample right here. There's like a coffee mocha. Let's see. Hi.
Milkshake with the coffee corn with cream on the roast one.
Cool. Huh.
This is a good idea. Gelato shake. This is gelato shake.
Is
You
there
got all this way already? We got to the end, we got to the
I'm
end.
gonna come around. And about time. This is like a, it's like a juice. It's like a juice or something, right? But what we got here? Got a cold cup or something like that? Or ice cream and stuff. Ice cream and stuff. Oh, okay. Good, I gotta go around and I think so, yeah. Yeah.
Are you filming me?
No, do you want me to film you?
I can. I like my smile anyway.
Alright.
Do you come here often?
Do I come here often? Sometimes. My boss brings us once in a while for lunch.
Okay.
This is our first time when we live close by.
We live in Fontana. We hear about this place all the time. But
Yeah. You buy from here?
it's like
This is good. They have pork belly. Pork belly.
Pork belly.
I got the fries and pork belly grilled cheese sandwich.
okay.
Is there a restaurant in here that's run or owned by Jamaicans?
Oh, like Jamaican food? You know what? I don't know. Honestly,
Because somebody told me that, but I didn't find it as I looked around.
yeah. Look at this. My food right there.
Okay. Alrighty, my channel is Hello People, Joe here.
Hello, people. Joe's here.
Alrighty.
Joe's here.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, look at that.
Wow.
So what's the pork belly? The meat?
How much for how much something like this?
I think it's $24 for everything.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah. Thank you.
How much for it?
24 for all this,
That's not bad.
right?
I got that. I do watch me smile. You have to go every day. Like if I say I look so left alone. Okay.
It's Romanian style.
Are we done? Or we still have, I mean, I'm not questioning.
I think so. I think I line up for this to just stop with this briefly. I'm gonna take this
There was anything back that way?
No, I don't think so. It ended.
It's ending. Okay.
Okay.
You good? Wait, hey, there's a trash. Okay. 2 hands. This is especially stew hands, fresh corn dog, fresh fries, and all that. You get some fries, 2 hands, and everybody lining up to get the food. So, huh? You guys getting your hot dogs? Yeah. Good. Yeah, I'm just. You getting a plastic dog?
Yeah, the plastic
So you got-
and the spicy and the potato.
Okay, cool.
Are you vlogging? Vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, me
My channel is Hello People Joe here.
too. Okay.
Yeah, that's Hello People Joe here. What's your name?
Lisa.
Lisa? And the big man here? Jesus. Caesar?
Caesar.
Okay, nice meeting you, Caesar.
He was waving hello.
Hello people, Joe here. At this channel I take in many adventures as I try to connect with people living their everyday life. Folks, we came to this food mall that our friend, a YouTuber, Troy's told us about. But we didn't eat there because we eat something earlier in the day. But next time we could come back and eat something. But right now I'm going to take my wife to find a Avon store she was talking about. So let's get going.
Cindy, can you give us the address so I can send people over to your store over here?
Sure. It's 7211 Haven Avenue. I'm Suite G.
Sweet G, okay.
And it's in Rancho Cucamonga. The zip code's 91701. We're on the corner of Baseline and Haven. There's a Ralph's and a Coco's and a Fitness 19 in the mall.
And she used to get the book all the time, Avon books, and she used to buy through the books.
My neighbor used to sell Avon, so I couldn't tell her no. Plus the products are good.
Yeah.
Hot dog, 150. And we want to edit it because we want to. Should we buy one for Joshua? Buy one for Joshua? 3. Okay. And then we want churro. Ooh. Why you got so much? Okay, 1 churro. You want a piece of the churro with me?
No, I don't want that.
You don't want a churro? Okay, I'll get one meal just so you can share it. So 3 hot dog. You have to pay attention. 3 hot dog, 1 churro. Ready? $5.99. Pay for the order. Here's the receipt. There goes the receipt. Okay, you gonna get it?
That's
You want me to find a seat? I think it's just the umbrella. I think the chair might be separate. The chair is separate.
I know.
Don't lose your card. The umbrella is $30. Call it $30. And then, Joe, why is the chair $39? Was it that expensive? Well, how much was the chair when we bought it? It was on sale? Okay. Okay, so it's like $10 off? Yeah, but see, the umbrella goes in the chair. That's why you like it?
The same one, right?
It's the same chair. The same chair. Okay.
Imagine this thing getting on.
How you guys doing?
We go.
Look, this young man trying to make me take my phone. He said I could get it
Ask the
free.
man. Let me call my son.
All right, so with your phone, it's up to you. This one's the free one, and this one's $5.55 a month.
That's
So,
what I'm paying for
That's what
this.
he's paying now.
$5.55
We
a
still
month.
paying for that one when we still get the
Oh,
break.
so yeah, you have to
got
pay
like
that
18
off.
months.
I can't.
Ooh, 18 months, huh?
That's why we
Yeah.
don't wanna
Can't do that. huh?
So yeah, well, we could wait on that one.
But she could do it. But she
Yeah,
could.
she could do it. Let me go get my
call
tablet. With your finger, it'll literally start catching my fingerprint. You see how crazy that is? This is a remarkable phone.
I don't have to say what it is because it might be changed by then. You know?
Okay.
Right.
What you got to tell the people then?
Come to Costco. We're gonna give you a $100 gift card, and we're gonna give you guys discounts for being a Costco member. That's the best I can give you, and I give you permission to record me.
Folks are always asked for their permission because of YouTube legalities.
I know that's right. Joe, is that a rooster or a chicken we hear next door?
It sound like a rooster or something?
Okay, so you took us to some interesting places today, but tell the folks why we didn't eat at the food court.
Well, we didn't eat at the food court because we just eat something earlier before we went over there. But if I even want to eat at the food court, it was too expensive because I only have $20 in my pocket. And guess what? My wife want to go look for an Avon store that she went to before. So I said, you know what, let's go over there. So we went over there. We found a store, but it wasn't the right one. The one, well, it's a Avon store.
Well, all those Avon chicks have like a white first name. This one named Cindy, the other one named Sarah. How are we gonna remember?
But we find one. We find one.
But then we found the other one again.
Yeah, but then we found the other one. But so we went in there and we talked to the lady, and we asked the lady if we could interview her, and she said yes. So we interviewed her and everything. And my wife bought a
Lipstick.
and she thinks, I mean, she want to play like big time. She want to be big time or whatever call it.
I'll try to play like a Kardashian.
Yeah, so like a Kardashian.
Tell them about the lipstick though.
But the lipstick is one that you put it on, and then you put a clear over it, so the lipstick
Stay on all day.
stay on all day.
Okay, let me show my hand.
But
This was 3 days ago. See that pink right there on my hand, right there? The lipstick still can't come off my hand.
So when she come home, she was trying to take it off, and she couldn't take it off. So I take a wash rag and put it in some water and some soap and try to take it off, and still don't come
No,
off.
you did not, Joe.
So
Stop lying.
I put some alcohol and I take.
Joe, stop lying.
Is that true?
All right, so if the people want to see more like this, they should do what? More videos like this, they should do what?
They should comment on my show and let me know and subscribe.
Thumbs up.
Okay.
I'm doing this behind the camera
Okay.
to tell him to tell you the thumbs up and here holla subscribe. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up, folks. And subscribe.
And I love your new slogan, by the way. At this channel, I take you on many adventures as I try to connect with people living their everyday lives. Ooh, I love it. Did you get that from Chat GPT? No, we actually wrote that, right?
Right.
But that's what you're going to start saying.
Folks, but I never tell you guys, but okay, I shouldn't put that in.
What? About what?
How we went to Costco and eat.
Yeah, you can put that in.
Okay. So when I finished buy the lipstick, it was, how much was the lipstick?
14 something plus tax.
14 something plus tax. I'm broke. I couldn't even buy. So I started, we was getting hungry at the end of the day. So I tell them we were close by Costco. I said, let's go over to Costco. So we went over to Costco. We buy a hot dog, $1.50 each. That's $3. And
The churro was $1.50.
$1.50, $5.
And then a hot dog for Josh, $1.50. So 3 and 3, 6. So 6 plus the tax.
So lucky thing I had like $3 left in my wallet. So I put
No,
that.
stop lying. We used our debit card.
I'm only kidding. We use a debit. I don't keep a lot of money on me, folks. Most money I keep on me was $50.
Lottery money, huh?
A lot for money, and I usually keep in my debit card. and
But
stuff
you
like
got money on your Cash Apps.
that. You know, I use my Cash App.
And the viewers can donate to your Cash
Right,
App if they want to tip the host, right?
Right, I'll drop it below, folks. So, folks, thank you guys for spending time with me. And I'm looking forward for us to grow together. And I'm bringing some more content as we go along, better content as we go along.
Until next time.
Until next time, folks, Joe here.
Let's go see if we can see the rooster. Come.
You hear what the bird, listen.
That bird not doesn't know F you, Joe. So is this poop back here?
Yeah.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah.
No, I'm good. We're not going to see that rooster today, guys. Joshua need to come and clean up that poop. I'm good. You guys, you have a whole backyard. Why you don't go back there for the bathroom? Why you going to go by my side yard for the nasty. Okay, Joe, we're going to have to move fast because there's flies on them.